Hey, what's going on? Vintage MC22. Welcome back to another video where today I'm doing something different. I'm not doing something different. I'm still in Minecraft Java Edition, but today we're going to be playing Minecraft Hypixel for once. Well, not it's keep saying things that are screwing up everything. Really, for once, I played this before, obviously, because I fucking have well, probably not the highest tiers like items, but still some pretty high stuff. And today we're playing the new Garden Update, which here we are already on our island, which by the looks of it, so far is looking like a secondary island, but only for farming stuff. Where we have been talking to Sam, which, what did she say? Come see me when you, oh yeah, that's right. So, I was given this Sam scythe, which I have to clean up this whole freaking plot area. Which was this do? Clean a 3x3 area of grass, leaves, and flowers. So, basically, what Hypixel have added is literally just a lawnmower simulator to their game. Isn't that just lovely? If I have to clean up this entire area, which I guess that's probably what I'm going to be doing throughout the whole video on it. Well, I'm probably going to maybe cut a lot of the unnecessary footage out. So then, we could get into more of the story of this area. Probably gonna be doing this for a while, though, honestly. It wouldn't want me to take out the trees, would it? I don't really have... Hold on. Oh my god, it does. It does want me to clear the whole area. Hypixel, you fucking dicks. No. Eh, whatever, that's fine. Just means more casual footage of a lawnmower simulator in Minecraft. Yeah, I'm assuming these are the other plots, but they're just not unlocked. Yeah. It's gonna cost a lot of compost, which, once you talk to Sam for the first time and give her 25 wheat to unlock the compost, which you need to buy fuel for, unfortunately, kind of annoying, but whatever. So there's no cooldown with using this. You can't edit the plot. This plot is pasting. Oh, okay. So I have to clear out this entire area. More footage of a lawnmower simulator. Ain't this just lovely? A fine, peaceful day in Minecraft. This is kind of a useful tool for me, to be honest. These will probably eventually clear out anyways. That's fine if I leave that, probably. Actually, I don't think I need to pick up trees. Yeah, I don't think it increased the stuff when I mined the trees. Pretty sure it's only leaves and stuff I gotta take out. I'm only 30% of the way done. I'm not even close. I guess with the 3x3 range, I'm also gonna clean up a lot. All I could do kind of wish it was 4x4, but whatever. Beggars can't be choosers, I guess. It's gonna be hard for me to not have a lawnmower simulator as the main joke of this update. So far, that's all I'm seeing right now. Oh yeah, when I was looking through the menu, for some reason it said something about copper, which is weird. I'll probably eventually see what it means by copper, and probably there's more heads or something. Yeah, we're coming close. We're at 74.9, 75. Yeah, this seems like a private plot, I want to say, of an area. Because, I mean, it's literally just me jumping around, breaking stuff. Personally, I say the range of this tool should maybe be... Maybe there's a stronger version or something. But I don't know, the wooden one definitely is kind of slow, if I'm being honest. Maybe I need to take out the trees? Hold on, let's try. Hmm. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, definitely is walnut. Oh yeah, because that's why it went up a little bit. Alright, yeah, so we have to take out the trees, never mind. You have to wait for all this stuff to on. Does that mean I can use mystical mushroom soups? Yeah, so this is like a private island almost. Well, that's interesting. So it's pretty much just a second island update. Gotcha. Surely I don't need to break every tree, because I mean, this looks like there's a lot of trees, and based on how much cleanup is left, I don't think I have to break all of them. It really doesn't feel like it's doing the 3x3, because like, if it was like 1, 2, 3, then it would have got this. I guess I have to be connecting or something. Yep, that's by the way. Okay. Hmm. No, maybe I will need to take out every single one. We'll find out eventually. I need to take out one more tree. Oh, at least let me destroy the rest of this tree. Yeah, let's just head back. Wait, what did Sam even say? Fuck, that's the... Wow, it's squeaky clean over there. You did so well. Now you can grow crops you've unlocked there. Wait. Now you can grow crops you've unlocked there. To save you a bit of time, you can also use a preset farm at your desk. Come and talk to me when you finished up on your plot. And then just go talk to her some more. So purchase a garden plot at the desk, go to the garden plot. Just telling me all the stuff I did. Alright. My brain is slow. Garden milestone, maybe? Crop milestone. No, maybe I go to plots for it. Yeah, configure plots. Click to modify wheat. Uh, from inventory, sure. Start pasting wheat presets. What's that gonna mean? Oh, it's all the way across the field over here. Ooh. Look at that. It automatically placed the seeds. Does it automatically place the seeds? Or did it use up all the wheat I had? I'm an idiot. Bags. Sacks. All the seeds. I only had that many seeds? I swear I had a lot more than that. Yeah, so essentially, to trim it down, this update is literally a second island, or just a farming island update. Let's watch this as it slowly takes over this whole plot. So I'm assuming I can farm whatever I please here. Oh, it just stops there. Okay. Well, that's pretty neat. Also, why is my farming boots not working? Are they working? My shit feels slower. Yeah, no, I'm like no different. Uh, wait, these are the right boots, right? Yeah, they should be. They might have nerfed it. Hypixel loves to nerf shit, if anything. I have an idea. Why don't you collect me some wheat, and I'll bake us some lovely bread for dinner. Collect Sam some wheat? Sure. To bake us some bread, I think I need about 100 wheat. That should be a problem for someone like you. Yeah, let me totally go mine some. Wow, that was quick. Here, take some fresh bread. Nom nom. It's pretty tasty, but it seems like we still have some dozen meat left over, and our composter is already full. Open a shop stand with Sam? Oh, I have an idea. We should open a small stand and sell our wheat to other people. Sure. We need to set up a stand somewhere. Find Sam at the shop stand. Where's the shop stand? It's just regular old bread. Okay. Oh, the thing. I think this spot would work perfectly. Serve your first customer. What? Oh, Jerry! Oh! Serve your first. Oh, we've already found our first customer. How exciting. I wonder what they want. Can you check on them? Hello, Vintage MC22. Glad to meet you here. I need some bread. You need some bread, Jerry? Time visited one. Five bread. Oh, and that. Ow, that was fucking loud. So that's how you get copper. Okay. Oh, so it's like a new currency, it seems. This is not my realm. I must return. I couldn't read that? Well, fuck me. Uh, wow, we did it. We served our first customer. Keep checking back on them. I am sure more people will visit our farm soon. Besides, that you can always go check the desk to find out what to do next. I'll head back outside now. And that's it. So now, that's practically the essentials of this. Yeah, so I guess it's just gonna literally be any NPC in the game. So now making bread is actually purposeful now. Anything else I have to ask you about? As your garden level increases from working on the farm, you'll be able to harvest more crops. Amazing. Okay. So anyways, I guess thank you guys for joining me in today's video. I'll talk to you all later.